This kind of software development, it's really a scientific approach and says, let's take a hypothesis, let's do an experiment, let's validate it. And actually that's what we're doing here in Australia, and we're doing it with a partner, which is Telstra, that helps us achieve a scale here more rapidly than I think we could otherwise.
Years ago, we announced our vision to become a world-class technology company that empowers people to connect. Australia and Australians are actually early adopters of technology and technology innovation. And so when we're partnering with leading technology companies internationally, they're keen to come to Australia and they're keen to partner with Telstra because we have the breadth of relationship with our customers that can take you into every single customer group, whether it's government or enterprise or small medium business or consumer.
I think it was amazing to get such a diversity of companies able to speak about their journey and their vision for where Pivotal can play a role in changing and transforming the Australian economy.
It's just amazing seeing customers who has been down the journey standing up there and talking about how it's benefiting. And then you get business leaders here listening and also business leaders up there sharing.
I thought it was amazing to have such a brains trust of incredible experience, both from an industry perspective, but also more broadly with Rob, talking about global customers and enterprises and how they're actually making the digital changes and dealing with the disruption that we are talking about here as Pivotal Labs.
It was great to have Rob Mee, the Pivotal CEO, come down and share his experiences with working with startups and tech companies from Silicon Valley, but also have Andy Penn, the CEO of Telstra, to come and share his experiences around how to do digital transformation in this market in Australia. One of the main themes today was around how to collaborate with IT and business to deliver outcomes together in a collaborative fashion. And we also heard that it takes a platform to actually facilitate these lean and agile ways of working, and Pivotal obviously has Pivotal Cloud Foundry, and we're in this partnership with Telstra.
I think it was amazing to hear both from the vision of Rob Mee as our CEO, the vision of Andy Penn as the CEO of Telstra, and how they're using our technology and methodology to transform themselves and their customers. But to hear from organisations spanning from the likes of Macquarie Bank all the way through to New South Wales Government of what this capability means as we bring it to bear in the Australian economy.
So Rob, I just wanted to say thank you for the partnership. We look forward to really sort of starting to accelerate the use within Telstra. We're very optimistic about the future and the difference it can ultimately make to the people that matter most, which you said are obviously the customers in Australia.
What Pivotal is doing today, as we've evolved from working with all of these startups and doing the majority of our business there, is now we do the majority of our business with large enterprises. And we help them adopt both the methodology and the technology to allow them to innovate at startup speeds. Everyone's going to benefit. Things are going to get more efficient. They're going to be easier. Things are going to be easier to do, and it's going to spread software technology in a much more efficient and effective way. And as software gets more and more intrinsic to everything we do, and I know all of you have seen this, it's really becoming more and more part of our lives. That's a very, very good thing.